Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm LC. If this is your first time on my channel, then welcome. And if you're returning, then welcome back. Okay, so I'm here for my 11-month lock update. I apologize that it has taken me a minute to come back on here with another lock update. I think the last one I did was when I was at the 8-month mark, so it has been a couple months since then. I have definitely had some changes in my hair, so I do apologize that I did not give you guys a month 9 or a month 10 update, but it's okay because we are here for the 11th and we will be back next month for our 1 year. We are here. If you started your locks around me around quarantine time, then we're still in it. We're still here. And I know it's been hard. Okay, we are still here. So congratulations to all of you guys as well if you are celebrating one of your month anniversaries. Before we get into this video, make sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. I would love to get there by my birthday. My birthday is March 28th, so we're about a little over a month out, but help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Give me the best birthday present ever by clicking that subscribe button. That would mean so much to me. Okay, so what's going on with my hair? I feel like my hair looks so different compared to what it looked like when I first put these locks in. I was actually just going back and watching one of my old videos not that long ago, and I just couldn't believe how different my hair looks. Like, it's crazy. It's so crazy how much your hair changes. Like, obviously I knew my hair was going to change throughout this journey. I was expecting it to change throughout this journey. Be here and then to look back at like when I first installed my locks, or even like my 2-week update, my 7-week update, like looking back at all of those compared to where my hair is now is crazy. I feel like my hair has come a long way. Long way. Did I mention it came a long way? It's come a long way just compared to where we are. So if you guys watched my installation video, and if you haven't, I'll put it down in the description, but if you watched my installation video, you know what we were looking like on day 1 because you were there. You know. Compare like how thick my locks have gotten compared to where we were at in that installation video is just kind of insane. I honestly just can't believe like how much my hair has changed. I feel like when I first put my twists in, like they were just so tiny. They were kind of thin. I didn't really see it getting this full. I didn't think that it was going to fill out the way that it has, and I'm not complaining. I'm definitely happy about that, but I didn't expect this. I thought it was definitely going to look thinner than what it looks right now. That's definitely something I'm happy about. I received that. I received all the thickness. Bring it my way. So you guys know my hair was already kind of long when I put my locks in. Obviously it shrunk a lot, but we are definitely getting some length back in here. Now I haven't retwisted my hair in about 5 weeks, so I'm sure if I had a retwist, let me see if I can show you guys here so you guys can see here. I'm sure if I had a retwist, it would look even longer, but I feel like even for me not to have a retwist, you can just tell that it's definitely growing. Let's see if I can show you guys another one. Like, I would say my longest pieces are almost at an armpit length stretch, like if I'm pulling on them. Now obviously they're gonna kind of jump back up, but stretched out. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm looking at I have a camera. I have my little viewfinder over here so I can see myself, but wait a minute. This one looks kind of long. Hold on, guys. Damn near my whole boob. But wow, look at this. I'm like amazed right now. I'm like really, I'm fangirling myself right now, but wow. This is honestly like reaching the length of when I first put my locks in, like what my hair was like naturally when it was, not naturally, what my hair was like when it was loose and it was stretched. This is like pretty much the length. Wow, I don't think all my locks are that long, but still, let's kind of see how long the back is. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab like one of my longest ones. Hopefully you guys can see, but I'm about right here, which is like, can you guys see? Hopefully you guys can see. I'm like right here. Oh my God. I don't know where that's at. That's like upper shoulders, upper shoulder level. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm not mad at it. I'm actually like really happy and excited about the length that I'm seeing. I don't think I really realized how long my hair has gotten until right now. And I'm like, and honestly, like I haven't been looking at my hair over the past 2 months, which is probably why I haven't done the update video, because I've kind of just been in the motions with work. Work has gotten really busy. And obviously if you follow me on Instagram, I do post updates here and there. I do post my story, but I have not really had the time to like sit down and like look at my hair and really go through it and do one of these videos. So I love doing these update videos, not just for you guys, but also because I just love to see my hair like this. This is crazy. It's gotten so long. And you guys can see where we are at with our thickness. They are definitely like, you know, a little bumpy and lumpy. So none of them are like perfect in shape. I would say that all of them are, you know, somewhat kind of bumpy and lumpy. They still have frizz on them, but not as much as they did like a couple months ago, which is good. If you guys remember my install video, then you guys know I've been trying to like hold on to the edges. I purposely like left them out of the locks so that it wouldn't pull and have any tension on them. And so I'll try to insert a clip of what they were looking like back when I first put my locks in. A lot, and you know, kind of thicken up, which I'm actually really excited for. So yeah, we'll stay tuned on that information. But now you can see I'm just starting off my sides and I'm doing parts here. And if you can tell, which I'm sure you can, my edges are really thin. They're actually growing back, thank God, but they're actually worse than this. And I want to allow them to continue to grow. So I'm going to make sure I don't put that part into the twist slash like future lock buildup. So yeah, as you can see, those edges, I'm making sure I move all that out the way and I don't put that into the twist. I don't want, you know, those twists to be pulling on my fragile edges I'm trying to grow back. Then compared to now, but I think they're looking a lot better compared to how we were looking before. They're definitely thickening up. It's still a little bit thin right here a little bit, but it's grown in so much over the months. We can look at the other side. You guys can see here. And this is me honestly just kind of leaving them alone. I get questions sometimes on like how to keep your hairline strong, and you guys, I'm barely trying to keep my hairline strong. But if I had to give any type of advice, I would probably say that when I retwist, I don't include my edges in there. So I don't know if that's something that everybody does, but I don't include like this hair in my retwist. I just kind of let it do its thing until it's like actually long and thick enough to include in it. You guys know that I did dye my hair a couple months ago, so I want to let you guys know how that's doing, how the hair dye is doing. You guys can barely see it because it's really not like it wasn't a very bright hair dye, but for the most part my ends are still pretty healthy. Like they're not brittle or dry. I do put conditioner on my locks, I put leave-in on my locks, and I concentrated more on the ends just to make sure I am protecting that hair. So I feel like that has been working because I'm not really seeing any damage on my ends, thankfully. But I also didn't go that light, so had I probably went with a higher bleach or had to lift it even more, that probably would have put more damage on my ends. So yeah, take all that with a grain of salt, but I am still using conditioner. So we have moved into the colder months. Hopefully you guys checked out my winter wash routine. I'll put the link in my description. But I went over how I've been maintaining my hair during the dry months, how I've been treating the dandruff in my scalp and dry scalp. So if you have been suffering with that during the cold months, then go check that video out. But I pretty much for the most part have been using the same shampoos outside of using my Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo. I also use the Care, their dandruff line. That's great. I love it. Sometimes I use black soap here and there. I'm not really using Dr. Bronner's during the winter because it's just too drying on my hair during the winter. I can't do it. I need a little bit more moisture, so I'm not using that right now, but I am still using the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree, and then I'm using the Care. So those are the main two that I'm using. As far as conditioner, I'm using the Care conditioner, the dandruff conditioner. Now, their conditioner is really thick. It's like really, the consistency is kind of gooey and thick, so I water it down a lot. Like I get a whole lot of water and I make sure the consistency is super loose before I put it on my locks. I would not, if you do use that conditioner, I would not recommend that you just put that conditioner straight on your locks because it's so thick and gooey that I feel like it would be really hard to wash out if you didn't dilute it. So I do always rinse my hair out with super cold water once I'm done conditioning it. So that's something that I've always done. I'm still doing. That just helps seal your follicle, lock in that moisture. So it is kind of unpleasant to be standing in cold water, especially with it being cold right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I always finish my hair with cold water. I always finish my face with cold water. So that's just a little trick to kind of close up those pores and close up those follicles. I'm trying not to retwist again until my lock anniversary, which is gonna be on March 21st. So that's still like another 4 weeks from now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go another 4 weeks. I want to. I'm a little nervous, like, just because these roots are thick, y'all. Like, they get really thick. They're already really thick. I already have a lot of new growth. So me going another 4 weeks, I don't even know. I don't know if that's gonna work. But yeah, I'm loving my hair, you guys. I really am. And I know that if you're in this journey with me, there can definitely be moments of you just feeling discouraged, of you wanting to maybe just switch it up, you just being tired of it, which is fine. If you want to switch it up, if you want to take them out, do whatever, shave them off, do whatever you want to do. But if you're similar to me and you want to keep them in and you just have moments of like, just know that I understand, I'm here with you, and just stick it out because it'll be worth it. It's honestly the only statement that you can give people to really encourage them within this lock journey is to trust your hair process. No, your hair is not going to end up looking like mine. No, your hair is not going to end up looking like hers or his or theirs, but your hair is still going to come out amazing. Your hair is still going to be beautiful. Your hair is still going to be absolutely extraordinary. So just be patient. Just give it time. Just let it do its thing. You are gorgeous. You are beautiful. You are sexy. You are handsome. You are all that. And just woosah. Okay, just woosah. Yeah, no, I am loving this. I can't even believe how long it's gotten already. I feel like for us to be 11 months, this is good length. Like, I feel like this is typical length. This is good length. I am excited to see another 11 months from now how long it's going to be, but I am happy with where I'm at. I feel like for the most part, I've done a good job. If there's anything I need to improve on is wrapping my hair at night. I wrap my hair at night. I just don't wrap my hair every night. Don't be like me. Be better. Be better than me. If there's 7 days out of the week, I'm wrapping my hair 4 to 5 days. I need to make it 7 days. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better, I promise. So let's just go ahead and get into this close-up so you guys can really just see all the changes that have been going on in my hair. much for watching, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this 11-month lock update. I will definitely be back next month for my 1-year lock update. Sorry. I will definitely be back next month for my 1-year lock anniversary. It's going to be lit all month of March. All month of March. It's going to be lit on my YouTube. It's going to be lit on Instagram. It's going to be lit just in my world, in my life, because it's my birthday month and it's my lock anniversary month. That was such a great idea to start my locks around my birthday, because it just makes March so much more exciting. I can't. I have a lot of exciting things planned for you guys. Help me reach my 1,000 subscriber goal, because I am doing a giveaway when we do, and you're going to want to be a part of the giveaway. You're going to want the items that I'm giving away. Trust me, you're going to want them. So make sure that you're subscribed. Also, I know I get like 5,000 billion questions about how many locks do I have? What is my lock count? I don't know, you guys. I don't know what my lock count is. But when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a lock count video. We're all gonna count my locks together, because I don't know. Like, if I had to guess, I would say it's like anywhere between 80 to 100. It's somewhere in between there, I feel like. It maybe more, maybe, I don't know. But help me get to 1,000 subscribers and I will do a lock count video. I'll also do a giveaway to see who's the closest to my lock count. Like, we have so many things for March, especially if we get to 1,000 subscribers by March. Like, it's going to be a lit month. Regardless, it's going to be a lit month, but it's going to be a lit month. Did I mention it's going to be a lit month? Yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back very soon. Make sure that you check out some of my other videos. Also, if you like food, then you should be following my food page as well. So I'll drop my food Instagram page and my food YouTube page. Go follow those, go subscribe, support my other channel as well. I'll be back very soon with another video, and I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye, you guys.